What was the toughest series that you ever were a part
The
of?
New York Knicks in '94, man. Oakley, Mason,
some big
Ewing,
boys.
Charles Smith. It was just, man, I tell people I had 2 sprained wrists. I had 10 stitches in my arm. I got a hairline fracture in my tailbone. That's all after that series. I have never been so beat up after a game in my life. And that series, man, I remember you got an episode where I'm going to the hole and they take me out of the air and I just crashed. And I was like, man.
You have to be able to adapt to their physical style of play. It was probably the toughest place to play. 1, I couldn't stop paddling the outside. 2, if I got by them, now I got to face Oakley. And they taught me a lot about myself because, you know, if you can take a hit from those guys and get up and continue to play, you can make it. But, you know, a lot of times after the game, you know, I thought my ribs and neck was broke because Oakley and Bonner and Mason going in there, you better go strong or you're going to be on your back and you're going to be on your back for lunch. And they never said, I'm sorry, or anything. They hit you and they look at you and they dare you to get up and talk smack. You can be dominating the game and still beating them, but they're going to mess you up every time.